Hi everyone, how are you all? As you all know, winter season had started, right? Here it is very cold outside. How is the weather at your place? Please put it in the comments. So, what are we waiting for? Let's learn some sentences related to winter within a short snap of time. First, let us see some of the winter vocabulary. It's winter. It's cold outside. It's freezing. It's extremely cold outside. It's snowing. It's chilling. It's icy. It's a winter day. It's a winter evening. It's a winter night. It's winter time. It's winter season. Winter is here. Now let us see some of the activities related to winter season. Let's go sliding. Let's go ice skating. Let's build a snowman. Let's have a snowball fight. Let's make hot chocolate. Let's read a winter story. Let's enjoy this winter all together. Let's sing a winter song. Let's go ice fishing. Let's go skating. Let's go skiing. Let's go snowboarding. Let's see some of the winter vocabulary through which we can explain the winter weather. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. It's a snowstorm. It's a snowstorm. It's a winter snow. It's a winter snow. It's a winter wonderland. It's a winter wonderland. It's a frosty morning. It's a frosty morning. It's a snowy evening. It's a snowy evening. It's a windy day. It's a windy day. It's a cold day. It's a cold day. It's a chilly day. It's a chilly day. It's a freezing day. It's a freezing day. Now let us see some of the vocabulary related to winter clothing. Put on your sweater or coat. Put on your sweater or coat. Put on your earmuffs. Put on your earmuffs. Wear your scarf or muffler. Wear your scarf or muffler. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Put on your boots. Put on your boots. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Bundle up. Bundle up. Stay warm or keep warm. Stay warm or keep warm. Don't forget your mittens. Don't forget your mittens. Now let us learn some vocabulary related to winter animals. This is a polar bear. This is a polar bear. This is a penguin. This is a penguin. This is a reindeer. This is a reindeer. This is a squirrel. This is a squirrel. This is a fox. This is a fox. This is a snowy owl. This is a snowy owl. This is a hedgehog. This is a hedgehog. This is a snowshoe hare. This is a snowshoe hare. Now let us see holidays. Winter holidays. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's Hanukkah. It's Hanukkah. It's Kwanzaa. It's Kwanzaa. It's New Year. It's New Year. It's a winter holiday. It's a winter holiday. Now let us see some of the feelings that we have during winters. I'm cold. I'm warm. I'm cozy. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm sleepy. I'm hungry. I am tired. I am bored. I am blue. Now let us see some of the questions related to winter. Do you like winter season? Do you like winter season? What's your favorite winter activity? What's your favorite winter activity? What's your favorite winter holiday? What's your favorite winter holiday? What's your favorite winter animal? What's your favorite winter animal? What's your favorite winter food? What's your favorite winter food? What's your favorite winter color? What's your favorite winter color? What's your favorite winter song? What's your favorite winter song? What's your favorite winter story? What's your favorite winter story? What's your favorite winter memory? What's your favorite winter memory? What do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? Now let us see some common expressions that you can use during winters. Let's decorate the Christmas tree. Let's decorate the Christmas tree. Let's exchange gifts. Let's exchange gifts. Let's sing Christmas carol. Let's sing Christmas carol. Let's watch a winter movie. Let's watch a winter movie. Winters are colder than summers. Winters are colder than summers. The snow is white. The snow is white. Ice is cold and slippery. Ice is cold and slippery. Winter days are shorter than summer days. Winter days are shorter than summer days. Winter nights are longer than summer nights. Winter nights are longer than summer nights. Winter clothes are thicker than summer clothes. Winter clothes are thicker than summer clothes. I wanna eat hot chocolate. I wanna eat hot chocolate. The blanket is warm. The blanket is warm. Let's lit the fire. Let's lit the fire. The fireplace is warm. The fireplace is warm. Please turn on the room heater. Please turn on the room heater. Have a warm winter. Have a warm winter. Stay safe this winter. Stay safe this winter. Keep yourself warm. Keep yourself warm. Enjoy this winter season. Enjoy this winter season. Winter is magical. Winter is magical. Winter is a time for family and friends. Winter is a time for family and friends. Get ready with your winter clothes. Get ready with your winter clothes. So this brings us to the end of this video, which is very simple. Try to use these expressions in this winter season. And what is your favorite expression? Put it in the comments without fail. See you soon in the next video. Happy winter.